Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be talking about birds and bees. Yes, I know, I know, you heard that right, birds and bees. So now I'm going to start with birds, because birds are just 100% better, well, I have more to talk about, but, so yeah, let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to know about me before you you just need to know this about me, that I really like birds. Like, birds are like my favorite animal. If I were to be something that wasn't an animal, that wasn't human, I would be a bird. Like, 100%. Birds are just way too cool to, like... What? I can't believe that the fall damage killed me. Anyways. And yes, the reason why I like birds, some people may be like, may raise questions, but it's because I like the way that they fly. Yeah, I mean, what did you expect? Did you expect me to have an actual good reason why I like birds? No, what? You have too, you literally have too much of an expectation for me. Yeah, that is the reason. And let me just destroy this guy. I mean... avoid, just take out this guy when he goes back to my base. And one thing you need to understand is that even though there's other animals that can fly, I know that, I'm aware of that. He almost clutched that, wow. The one thing you need to understand is that all the other animals that can fly, just so weird. Their wings are leathery, and they're just so weird. It just puts me off when I hear that their wings are so silky and leathery. But the fact that the birds have such feathery wings, I just love the way that that their wings are feathers, not like leather. I mean, if their things were like literal leather, then I'll be like, I would hate them. Like, well, not really. I wouldn't mind them, but I wouldn't like love them. Probably like something better. Now, I've been talking about how much I love birds, but I haven't really talked about my favorite bird yet. And you guys, again, my favorite bird may be a lot of questions may be asked, but my favorite bird is the blue jay. And before you start screaming at me, oh, but Trim's the blue jay is like the most annoying bird in the world, I'm aware of that, but see, it reflects my personality quite a bit. Annoying and just... yes, just annoying, okay? And the other reason why I like the blue jays so much is because they are blue, and you may argue, oh, but Trim, there's so many other birds that are blue, and here's my response to that. I really don't have a response to that. Yeah, here's what I think. So, a lot of the other most birds that are blue are probably just like all blue. Wait, let me drop by this guy. Anyways, the reason why that the blue jay is such a good bluebird is because there's more variety to them. They have a nice gray, black, white, the blue color palette, and it's so original. Like all the other bluebirds, they just have either black or just all blue, and it's so bland and boring, you know what I mean? But the blue jay has such an interesting color. It's not like so all boring and it's not boring. That's all you need to know. Oh. Anyways, I'm going to forget that he ever existed. And I'm gonna pearl over there, please land. Yes, I did land. Come on. Oh, 1 HP. Oh, that's a big rip. Anyways, yeah, that's why I like the bird. That's why I like the blue jay. Now, what you've all been waiting for. The bee, and my opinion on the bee, and many people will be like, oh, he likes the bee, right? Yeah, because bees are all positive. They help the environment. They do all this good stuff. But you know what I say to that? Oh, let me just kill this guy first. Let's see if this works. That should almost work. What? My boy. Oh, they. My opinion, bees, is that they're good, but they're just annoying. They're like flies, if you know what I mean. They're like flies, but they're just like better. They help the environment. They help the environment. They want to help the environment because that's how they survive. But be honest. They literally sound like flies. They're no different. If you really think about it. And that's what I really, really don't like about them. So, let me just destroy Red's bed and I'll explain more. Oh, wait, Red's bed is already destroyed. Oh, gosh. So, another reason why I just really don't like these... Oh, I understand. I understand that they're cool and all. They like help the environment. I know, I'm all for that. I support the bees as they help the environment, but they're just annoying. Come on, you just want to peace out. You just want to have a good time, but then you have to hear the noise of a buzzing, and it's so aggravating. Like, be honest. Uh-oh, I think my bed might be destroyed. Anyways, yeah, bees just aggravate me. I'm just gonna move out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What? Oh, well, I just lost 3 emeralds. Anyways, so another reason why the bees like are really annoying is because the way they make honey. If you didn't know, they make their honey from their own vomit. I think you can understand why. I've like lost why that aggravates me. Like I want honey. I don't want your vomit. And even though honey, yeah, it tastes good. It tastes good, and I agree with you with that one. But be honest, why? You have you can use any ingredient in the world, and you choose to use your vomit. You see what I mean now? You understand? Exactly. See, you can't complain anymore. And of course it doesn't like, it doesn't like cancel out the fact that it helps, that they help the environment, but it just aggravates me, to be fair. Maybe I'm just complaining too much. Maybe we should just move on to the next reason. Now, trust me, the next reason is understandable. Be honest. When you see a bird, I mean a bee. When you see a bee and it's like struggling, right? You want to help it. But you know what the bee says? The bee says, nah. And he's like, hey, don't touch me. And I'm like, no, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. And I don't know that they don't want me to like, you know, touch them. To like help them, you know? But they're like, hey, you're trying to kill me. And I'm like, no, I'm trying to help you. And then they like, alright, I'm gonna save my queen from this person that is going to murder my family. And then you're like, no, don't do it. You have so much to live for. Don't sting me. And then guess what? They're like, nah, I know what you're thinking. I know you want to. Wow. Really? It's so good. So you can guys hear me? Like, I don't know what you're thinking. You're going to try and kill me. You're going to try and kill me. Let me just get into this new game. They're like, you're going to kill me and kill all my family, the queen, my whole colony, and so I'm going to sting you. And I'm like, what have I just said? Of course I don't understand English, but like, at least you could at least tell that I was not trying to hurt you. You see that you understand? You understand what I'm trying to say now? You understand my reasons? Anyways, yeah, that's basically the last reason why bees aren't like my favorite animal, even though people say, oh, bees are like the best animal in the world. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Ignoring that, so if I were to rate bees on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate them probably 5, because yes they're cool. They do they're good for the environment and stuff. But be honest. Like, they're annoying. Come on. First, they think it's a good idea to put their own vomit into the honey. What? I can hear you. I'm dead. Did I get the TNT down? Hopefully I did. Like, if they didn't put their vomit into honey, I'll be like 100%. Hey, my bee bro. That's kind of cringe, but I'll help them. But come on. The fact that they use their own vomit in their honey, that's put me off. Got him. Anyways, so yeah, and also the factors that they're like annoying, because of the noise that they make, and other stuff like that. Whoa, that is a weird. Are you seeing this? Rare sighting of a TNT that is glitched out. Cool. Anyways, you get what I mean. Now, you guys probably expect this, but my rating of a bird is 11 out of 10. They're just amazing. Like, how can you say I hate these animals to a bird? They're just so beautiful and elegant. The way they fly and stuff, you know. Anyways, I mean, yeah, that's all I really had to say, to be fair. So basically, I'm just gonna win this game, or try to anyways, and then end the video. So, I don't know where, so it seems like we're top 4, so let's just get some emeralds. Something bad. 2 emeralds, that's fine, so nobody's been taking the emeralds, which is pretty good. I'm actually surprised that nobody's been taking the emeralds. Unless white is our campers, and actually people are taking the emeralds, just they don't bother going to the other side. Wow. Okay, that uh-oh. That's not very good. I would think so anyways. I don't want to fight him. He doesn't seem to be following me, which is good. Ooh! Don't fireball me. Oh my gosh, how many fireballs does this kid have? Oh no, this is bad. Let me just get a pearl real quick. Oh, poggers! I got him. There's his bed. Well, now that's good to know. To have. Okay, we're gonna find him. He is sharpness. Then I'm going to juke him. I'm going over here. Okay, I'm nearly won this game. Hopefully he doesn't void. Oh, he voided. Okay. I'm leaving now. Should probably beat him. I'm gonna pearl his base. Gonna get